Hi, I'm Kat Sheridan. Welcome to the Ohio Arts Council's Riffe Gallery, located at the High Street lobby of the Vern Riffe Center for Government and the Arts. Today we're going to present the 2021 Biennial Juried Exhibition. The works in this show were selected by jurors Kevin Lyles, Jessimi Jones, and April Sunami. And with almost 1,800 pieces entered, they really had their work cut out for them. Go ahead and take a look around the gallery and be sure to stop by our office on the way out to get your DCAC passport sticker. Don't forget to register for our in-person and online programming, including artist talks, demos, and friends and family and creative writing workshops at riffegallery.eventbrite.com. The Riffe Gallery is open Wednesdays through Friday, noon to 5 p.m. And if you'd like to connect with us online, please like and follow the OAC Riffe Gallery on Facebook and Instagram. And lastly, a big thank you to the Governor's Office, the OAC Board, and the Legislature for supporting the Ohio Arts Council, this great space, and Ohio artists.